So my understanding is we have big news around EVC. We are now not only approved certified resellers selling the software, but we're now approved trainers for the first time. I think that's pretty groundbreaking. When did this happen and what's the background?
Yeah, it is. It's a really important thing. I'm personally very proud of that. That we've now got that certified status.
I mean, I don't know how many certified approved trainers they've got, but it's not many. You must be one of only a few in the world.
Yeah, in terms of English language trainers, I think I'm one of only 3 in the world actually offering that. A dedicated English trainer, the only one at the moment in the world. And of course covering the UK and US.
Impressive.
We started the journey towards the end of 2025, so Q4 2025.
Yeah.
Went through the certification process with EVC and their in-house trainers as well. And this isn't just about training, saying do you know where to click the buttons and do you know what this function does,
Sure.
but also validation process that our training method, approach, delivery and content actually meets and achieves the standards set by EVC for their certification.
I think what you say is so important there, because let's be honest, anybody can stand at the front of the room who knows the software and just talk about the software, and in theory that's a training course. But that is so different from somebody coming on a course and actually leaving with that knowledge and being able to use it. And I guess that's the difference, you know, of a true training course is not just showing you around the software, but actually empowering the student at the end of it to know what to do.
How they can take that software away, that learning, that knowledge away and apply it in whether it's their day job or their part-time job, not just to do it the correct way and to press the right buttons in the right order.
Or put 10% in this box.
Yeah, but what that's actually going to do to the car, how that's going to impact the drivability, the fuel economy, the performance, but importantly, how it's going to help them grow their business and expand their tuning capabilities and performance or economy offerings.
So now we are a certified approved trainers. I understand we've got a whole new range of courses coming, which EVC themselves actually approve, and we're going to be offering these courses around the world. We're starting with a range in the UK, but we're going to be offering them in international venues too soon. I mean, this is groundbreaking. You say in the English language, both in America and the UK, I think is our first training venues. Is anybody else offering this level of training anywhere?
No, obviously there are some other EVC certified trainers offering training courses around the world in specific languages. So there's trainers doing the Balkan states, for example. There's trainers in Spain, and there's one in Brazil as well offering it. But in terms of the US and the UK, we are the trainer to speak to about your EVC certified training courses.
And I think it's really important to mention, you know, it's not just about getting someone on the training course, is it? It's about coaching, the guiding, and giving them the right advice, making sure that actually they attend the right course as well.
Yeah, that's really,
not
really
just
important.
any course, but the right course for them.
Yeah, it's a really important thing to say as well. I mean, the courses that we have offering across a range of software programs, of course, that we offer on Remap 101 and our in-house classroom courses, we always want to speak to that delegate, to that potential student before the course to ensure it is the right course for them. It might be that you're looking at doing stage 3, big turbo tuning, bigger injectors and so on a particular car. And I'll use a real world example where we did a training course for a company that were supercharging RS4 engines, so the V8s, supercharging them. No knowledge of the WinOLS software at all. They had it, didn't know what to do with it.
That's a steep learning curve.
Yeah, and we set the course for them to take them through how to use the software, but more importantly, how to use it for their tuning needs and requirements that helped them actually develop a solution to then start offering their services and packages around the world.
Yeah, so being a certified trainer isn't just about standing at the front of the room teaching people, it's about giving them the right advice, making sure they've got the right software, the right tools to get the most out of the course when they leave at the end of it.
Correct, yeah.
Okay, great.